or it's morally permissible to kill animals for food. Now with this is probably the first sound argument where the first premise is false and the second premise is true, right? All animals kill other actually now I'm thinking about it, no, that's not true. All animals kill other animals for food. That's also false. There are such things as carnivores. Humans are animals, that is true. But this is not sound because the first premise is wrong.
Carnivores eat meat. Okay.
Oh, well, you know what I mean. Herbivores. Like, do you guys have any questions?
No, sir.
No.
All right. Like, do you guys have anything to say? I know you, Sage and Mom. I know y'all don't like eating meat.
Do we have anything to say about?
Oh, like, do you have any ideas on this? Like, I mean, no, or like, you
like, do we agree or disagree?
Yeah, what do you think about this topic? Like, I know you guys don't like eating meat. I know that might be for a different reason, but like, what do you take from this? Because it's not necessary for us to kill chickens and cows and all this stuff to eat meat.
And still get nutrients. No, it's not necessary.
That is very true. And again, it's harder.
And it's not cost effective either.
Yeah. So
You can still get, you can get like all the nutrients that you need from plants though without eating meat.
really, but is that like a high rate though? Like how one thing I'd be interested to think about is like, so one steak or one breast might get you 20 grams of protein. Like, how many nuts do you have to eat to get 20 grams of protein?
A lot.
It's probably a lot.
I mean, from what I understand, you don't necessarily need protein to build muscle. Like, there are amino acids and like different other nutrients that go into building muscle. So, like, you don't necessarily have to eat like your body weight in like animal protein to build muscle necessarily. Right, and I'm using something called Progain, which is 30 grams of protein per serving, and it's plant-based, 30 grams of protein per serving. It's a drink. For example.
So like protein powders is like something you guys would use.
Mine is a pre-made, beverage.
But like protein drinks.
But it's plant-based, what she's saying. It's
Yeah.
plant-based.
Yeah, I know. Like it's not from animals.
Right.
All right, so now
20 grams for a steak, and what I drink is 30 grams. Also,
I was just coming up with numbers. Steak probably is more than, like, a full piece of steak is probably more than 20 grams of protein. But
no, that's only 10 grams.
What, a steak? I mean, I don't know. Who knows?
It all depends on the size of the steak.
Yeah, it really just depends.
I was being facetious. I'm sorry.
All right.
Also, I think their first argument was like it has something to do with arguing that it was right to mass
produce,
like, grow, to raise animals to kill them.
Right.
You were saying like in a mass production, or
are you saying what you want me to go over the first argument?
No, I think what Sage is saying is that the argument was basically is it better to kill animals to get protein versus being able to get proteins from another source? Because basically, I think your argument is based on which one is better.
Yeah, or more so, no, it's literally just, is it necessary to raise animals to kill them, and is it morally permissible, really? Because also like, this is kind of on topic, but obviously, I mean, they're very inhumane how they treat these animals anyways. So that's also something we learned about. But
I think Sage is asking about mass production of raising animals to kill them, or maybe if you have a small, at your house and you have 2 chickens.
No, we're talking about mass production.
Is that what you were asking about?
We're talking like, as a human race, do we need to raise animals to kill them for food?
Like, I mean, I think that ideally, like, if we still were like lived in villages, then I feel like each community should be responsible for raising however much meat that they need.
Right.
And instead of like, mass producing chicken and beef and all that, and hormones and steroids.
Right.
But that's not the situation that we're in.